But make sure after selecting inner join, in this table there is a student ID, in this table there is a student ID. But in your tables there is a customer ID which is common to both the tables. So you have to take that. Okay? Now try first one first of all, then let me know if you did it or not. And you can take any one of them. But make sure at the time of taking this student ID I have taken here, which is available into this table, and student ID is available into this table. Means this column is common to both. And you have customer ID. Okay? Which is available in the table.
Hindi yung
customer email.
Pero pwede daw customer din nga lang.
And over here, address, name, ID, you can take any column which is available in your table. Once you will press dot, that will come. Columns will come.
So kasi putes kagigising mo. Oh, LG. Why like this?
You have to choose first the what you call database.
Yeah.
What is the database?
Saan ba na-save yun? Ako rin. Yun lang hinahanap ko kanina pa. Anong date
Yes,
yun?
sir. After
Shit.
database,
Wala na.
select from
Dalawa ng ano ko dito.
customer.
Right same page.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Oh.
Balik.
Ba yun?
Select ano? Customer. Order. Discount. Oh. Customer order.
Once you done.
Sir? Oh, can we do it on the previous assignment we did, sir? On the customer and
Good.
order? Okay, sir.
First ID, sir.
So, wala daw doon.
Wala yun, sir.
Ikaw?
Nahanap ko ba?
That's right, sir.
Hindi na ito. Hindi na barangay. Just wait.
Student ID.
Beautiful yung kanya mo na yung first. Done. Go. First ID. Finally, sir, you are coming here. Welcome, welcome.
Full? Ano yun?
Full join.
Full join. Oh. Pero ganun pa rin.
Oo. Anong gagawin niya sa total? Yun.
Execute na lang natin.
Wala na explanation.
Ano, basta man na yung ano, receipt, yun na yung gets mo na. Hindi ka nakapag-practice sa ba? Nadidistract.
Bakit sa bahay? Ako, hindi din ako nakakabakit sa bahay. Every weekend. Pero pag during weekdays, parang ako.
Tama, hindi mo imbis na ipahinga mo. Siyempre naisip mo, pahinga mo na yun. Minsan lang.
Kita game, di ba?
Last time I showed one more page and I explained every job. And I saved that file in this book.
That's not fun.
All you have to do.
Gumagastos ka sa game? Yung nagastos sa mga yung yun?
Na nakuha ko, ano yun, yung expansion pack kasama.
Nakamagkano ka? 1 million?
Super ka na.
Naka $1,000 ka na.
Lapit ng summer sale. Mag-ano ka ng Steam Wallet, ma-ready ka.
ID.
Wala ako nga na Wala akong card.
Ginano ka sa akin.
Wala rin akong
King of the Hill tayo.
Ay, iniisip ko, yan bibili kong laptop mamaya.
Bilhin mo na ito. Bilhin mo na. Para makapaglaro tayo.
Hindi, ano, dalawa. Ano,
Bilhin mo yung game.
Toshiba.
Yung
Iisip ko na, kaya.
huwag mo isipin, bilhin mo na ito.
Hindi mo kasi kumayaman kagaya mo.
Hindi sa mayaman o ano. Gusto ko makasama.
Okay guys, after this full join, you want me to teach anything else?
No. Shut down the machine and go to home.
Anong game?
There is a one more available, that is cross join. And you have to try that.
Cross joints.